Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. I've been really into thrift shopping lately, so I decided to show my finds since I kind of started watching a lot of decluttering videos and cleaning up your stuff and like reusing stuff and not just buying from big enterprises in big shops and like going and finding some gems. I found that really interesting, not only to get clothes but it's also really fun. It's like an adventure. So since I'm at university in UK, I went there and did some thrift shopping while in UK. I can't say that I found too many interesting things, but I've only been to like 3 thrift shops in the same neighborhood, and it was kind of a crappy neighborhood, and you need to go to like the good neighborhoods. At least that's what I've heard from YouTube and from my friends and stuff like that. But I came back here for my summer vacation and I found some pretty cool stuff, so I will show you all of that. I basically put myself under a ban in the last 6 months, like 6, 7, 8 months I guess, because I had so much stuff back at uni and here at home and I just don't wear half of it. But I only allowed myself to go and shop really rarely and to like thrift shops, where if you know anything about thrift shops you really need to, or charity shops or like secondhand shops, you need to like search a lot to find something. Not like you go in a store and there are like so many cute things, because then obviously if I just find one thing in one shop I don't buy too many things, I buy just one. But I was under a ban until I come here to my country and I kind of allowed myself to buy more stuff because I'm on vacation and stuff. But yeah, I haven't got that many clothes, but in the last month I found some pretty cute ones, really good quality ones. I love them, so I'll just show them to you. But first I will show to you one that I found in the UK. It was during the springtime. I'm not actually that pumped about this one, but I do like it, and it's not for the summer obviously. The blouse in this color, which is like purpley thing color, and I love the sleeves that are like these like bat wings. It's really comfy, it's tight, and it goes with jeans and with everything, and I don't know, I just really liked it. It's really simple, but it's great for like UK weather, especially now in the autumn, with a jacket on and going like to classes and stuff. It's really comfy, and it's from the store Peacock and it's in the size 8. It wasn't even that cheap. I think it was like £8, something like that, under £10 I think, but it wasn't super cheap, like dirt cheap. Okay, now the exciting ones, at least the ones that I liked a lot. So first, I mean this is not that exciting, but I found this shirt. I'm recently into like stripes. I love stripes. Like every time I go shopping I just find striped t-shirts, shorts, dresses. So I found this one. Again, it's kind of a basic thing. It's from Zara, Thrift, I'm not sure how you pronounce that, and it's size M, and it's again a very comfortable material, and I just like simple things like this. I have some like colorful crazier things, but this is so easy to wear with a skirt, with jeans. It's great if you are a student, but it's good for anything. Like you can look really like sporty, or you can be like dressed up for anything. I really like it, and it's tied to the skin. It's again really soft, and it's from Zara. It was I will say the price is in dollars because it's easier for me to convert, like from my money to dollars. I think it was like not that cheap actually. It was around $6-7. I mean, it's not bad, but it's just a simple shirt, but I really like it. It's so soft. And then something fun, at least that I consider fun, I think this is from Zara too. Yep, Zara. I used to shop so much in Zara up until like I went to study and I don't have as much money as I used to have before. I used to love Zara stuff, and this is something that I would buy. I mean, it looks kind of like childish and stuff. I love sea stuff and also stripes. I used to be like crazy for like sea related stuff, like anchors in my ears and stuff like that. So this looks like this is so cute. It was new. I think I cut the tag, but the problem that I have with this, and this was a kind of a stupid purchase, it's the size S, I guess. It's a bit too big, even though it's a size S, so I'm not too sure how you're supposed to like wear this. Maybe over a tank top, kind of like this. I will try the clothes at the end of the video, but I really love it. I couldn't pass it. It was around $5 too, and it has these cute tight things here that it's really my style. Like it's cute and kind of fun, but it's also kind of simple with the stripes, and I love this material, so I just couldn't pass it, and I love it, even though I haven't worn it yet. But it's so cute. Just look at these little badges. and this little seahorse. Move on to the fun stuff. So I think I was thrift shopping with my mom 1 week ago or something, and I found this beauty. Okay, so here is it. It's overalls, but instead of just being plain overalls, it has this like skirt type of thing with flowers, and it's from Superdry. And like, at least in the UK, I've seen people going crazy for Superdry. They have a shop, like a big store in the mall next to me. It's always really sporty stuff. I don't wear super sporty stuff, but they also have stuff like this. I have no overalls at the moment, so this was just calling for it, because I'm not really convinced to buy a full overall, because I don't know if I would like it or not. I haven't worn overalls since I was like 5 or something. Since in the 90s they were like really popular, but this is really beautiful. But again, it's like large and you need to wear it with something underneath, and currently here is really hot. I wanted to wear it today for lunch, but I just couldn't. It was like so hot over a t-shirt, but I could definitely wear it with this black tank top, and it's like quite airy. But it was such a great find. These Superdry things are usually expensive. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I do think that they cost a bit. It was around $5 again, so I think it was less. I think it was around $4, $3-4, which is not that bad. It has these cute designs on the buttons, so it's really like, it's real high quality, and it has a pocket here. Anyway, even though I couldn't wear it now, I'm hoping that the weather will calm a bit down, or maybe I can wear it in the UK where the weather is like better, like not so hot, because here is like crazy hot. And I really like it. I think I said that so many times, but it's beautiful and it's definitely worth $4 or $5. Now another Zara basic, is it basic? Yeah, another Zara little thing. I love Zara. As I said, like I have so many things from Zara, like from the actual Zara, but every time I go in a thrift shop or something, I just gravitate towards the Zara items without even knowing that they're Zara. And apart from stripes, I really like this army green color, and like army clothes type, not camouflage, but like this material and this color. And it's just like a cropped shirt with some pockets. It's really airy, it's really comfy. I can wear it, you know, in the summer, not when it's so hot, but I can wear it also in the autumn in the UK with some jeans, even with the skirt. It's like with some high-waisted jeans, skirts, or like shorts and everything, and I really love it. It's really up my alley. And this was only like $2, so it was around $2, maybe $3, but it was definitely a steal. And now a few days ago, no, not a few days ago actually, yesterday I went to like a big fair, I guess, that is held here every like Saturday or something, where people sell like old stuff or like second-hand stuff. And I got some stuff. I didn't want to do more shopping because I just got these clothes this month, and again I'm trying to not buy that much, but I ended up, something fell, I ended up going and buying all this stuff. Then I found great clothes, and the first one that caught my eye, these are not washed yet, the other ones are washed, so these are in a bag. It's this beautiful skirt, size 12, and it's from River Island, and I just love this flowy material. This color is kind of orangey brick type of color, and I love when skirts have the buttons down here in the front. And again, it's such a great find. I think it was around $4. It's pretty good for this kind of skirt, and it has like no problems with it. I like it. I can't wait to wear it. I just have to like wash all the clothes, and then I'm able to wear this, and I would probably always wear it because I love skirts like this. And then another skirt that I would wear a ton is this blue one. I was looking for a pair of jeans, like jean skirts. This is not exactly the type I wanted to get. I wanted to get those straight ones, but I really like this one. I love wearing high-waisted stuff, and like the things that are really tight in the waist, because they like complement the waist. Especially like if you are curvy and with like a smaller waist, it really makes everything look great, and that's kind of my body type. So I really like this one. It's easy to like wear with basically anything, and it was around the same price, like $2-3, so couldn't miss it. And it's from Topshop. I also tend to gravitate towards Topshop clothes. Okay, now something that is not that interesting is this shirt. It's like no brand, no nothing. It was like $2, and it's just like a striped shirt, but it's really baggy, which I like, and it has these short sleeves. And again, I just said I love stripes and I love comfy clothes, and this is really comfy and it's great for like going to the library, going to classes, just walking around UK when it's windy, when you're in the summer. So I really like it. It's a bit cropped, which I like, so I can wear it in my high-waisted jeans, and it was really cheap, so I just grabbed it. And then I went to this huge like belt mountain, and it was 3 for like $2 to $50, something like that. So I was kind of looking for a little brown belt that is more like an accessory, like this one. I would come closer to the camera. So it looks like it's braided, or how you call this thing, and it has these fringe thingies at the end. So it's pretty great for any type of like dress. You just tie it in the waist, and there you go. I found this belt, which you can actually like close, and it has little stars, and again I think it's real leather. And then I have this one. They do smell like real leather. I'm really excited for this one. It's kind of a bit out of my comfort zone because it has like these 2 colors, and it's a bit like more complicated, I guess, but I really like it in these 2 brown colors. And again, it has these thingies, how do you call them, like these holes, so you can actually like make it tight on you. So they are all in the same kind of family, but they are all different, and I can give one to my mom or something if I can use all of them. I mean, I'm sure this was a bit of a stupid purchase because I'm not really gonna go every single week with a belt on myself, because I just haven't used belts. Like, I'm not really a person that needs so much accessories, but I really love these ones, so that's good. So this was about everything. These are all the clothes. I'm just gonna show you how they look on. I won't actually show this one because I want to wash it first. And it's like a basic shirt. It kind of looks like I have a bib on, but I still find it funny and like cute, and I can wear it with this black thingy for sure. And yeah, I really like it. Striped shirt, and it's quite long. Goes till here. It's nothing very special. Very comfy though. The one I got in the UK. I mean, I really like it. Looks quite nice, and it has these bat wings that I can fly. This is the Zara shirt, and it's cropped. It's not ironed, so sorry about that. I actually like the way it looks with this black thingy underneath, and yeah, it's quite cute and really comfy. Okay, so this is how my favorite item looks. Can't really see in the camera, so it's a bit baggy here. You're supposed to close these, but I will just not bother. Just imagine it's like stitched here, and the skirt, pretty cute, and in the back it's like that. Sorry for the poor camera footage. And now we'll try the skirts. I haven't tried them yet, so hopefully they fit, because I haven't washed them yet, so I need to wash everything before wearing. Okay, so this is the blue skirt. Stand up. It's pretty cute. It's flowy. And yeah, it's just like I imagined. Okay, so this is the last skirt and item, and this is the way it looks. It's definitely so cute, and I love the color. It's red, less red in reality, and I was trying to, it has these things for the belt. I think it looks pretty good with the belt too. I mean, obviously the buttons are enough of an accessory, but since it had these belt thing is, I think it had maybe like a material belt or something, but I don't know, I could even wear it with these kind of belts, like to kind of use them. And yeah, this was my haul. Hopefully you enjoyed. I really enjoyed thrifting and also filming this video, so I'll probably film again something similar. So that was about all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time maybe.